second most common cause of death among Filipinos is cancer. According to the University of the Philippines Institute of Human Genetics, 189 of every 100,000 Filipinos are affected by cancer. According to the same study, 96 Filipinos die of cancer every day. One of the contributing factors to this alarming rate is the lack of access to cancer screening and treatment, especially at the community level. Eduardo J. Aboitiz, Rafi's second president, was diagnosed with prostate cancer and witnessed firsthand how limited diagnosis and treatment opportunities for those who had little to no resources. Recognizing this concern, Eduardo's wish before he passed away from the disease was to reach those who might be saved. The Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated, in collaboration with oncologists and other medical specialists, established the Eduardo J. Aboitiz Cancer Center on February 20, 1988 to support individuals, families, and communities in the battle against cancer. The Eduardo J. Aboitiz Cancer Center is the first non-government-run cancer center institution in the southern Philippines that strives to enable communities to promote early cancer detection and provide access to screening, treatment support, and appropriate care for Cebuanos with cancer. The center continues to bring hope to those whose dignity has been shaken by cancer, with a holistic approach centered around patient well-being. The program aims to support those affected by cancer in their entire journey, from the promotion of cancer education to screening and diagnostics to cancer management for those diagnosed in the early stages of cancer, and the provision of psychosocial support to cancer patients upon diagnosis, during, and after their treatment. In 2022, the Eduardo J. Aboitiz Cancer Center assisted 14,400 individuals for cancer screenings, treated 1,690 patients, and increased patient survival rate of up to 84%. Cancer impacts the entire community, but by working together, we can raise awareness, promote early detection through timely screening, in turn increases the chances of survivorship and minimize the financial impact of treatment. With this, we build hope for a healthier future for all Cebuanos. To learn more about the Eduardo J. Aboitiz Cancer Center, visit www.rafi.org.ph.